You know, when it comes to video marketing, the biggest mistake that I see is people will make really great videos, but then they never get syndicated. Content is king. And so Google, they really love content, and video is the number one form of content that you can have. And so in this video, I'm going to show you our syndication secrets that we use in our own agency every single day to be able to generate leads and customers with video. Hey, everybody, I'm Richard Cruz, and my agency, WSI Priority Media, we're testing new video marketing strategies and Google Ads every single day. We're finding out those things that are working, that are not working. And so I create these videos just to be able to give you cutting edge tips to be able to help you get better marketing and better results. So you've got a video with a great story to tell, and you create that video, but then what happens? I can't even begin to tell you how often that I see beautiful corporate videos that are just so underutilized. Don't do that, folks. Video is the best format that's available on the planet. It is engaging, for customers more than anything else that is available. It is the most shared content on earth. And every time that you create a video, you gotta be having a plan to be able to syndicate it. Syndication is the key. So let me give you an example in how we use it in our agency. I'm going to give you our 7-step process. Number 1 is keyword research. When you're creating a video, you need to do some initial legwork to find a topic that your customers are actually searching for. And so there's really 2 good tools to be able to do that. One of them is called Morning Fame, and then the other one is called TubeBuddy. And they're both really great for finding topics that you can rank for on Google. The mistake is that a lot of people do is they try to rank their videos for the most common search terms. There's too much competition, and chances are no one will ever find it. Use those tools so you can find topics that are easier to rank for in the beginning so that you can get more eyeballs on your videos. Then number 2 is you write a blog and insert your video into that blog, and then insert that blog onto your website. And now you have triple the content that you can distribute far and wide, your website, your blog, and your video. And so what you'll do now, for example, is number 3, you share that video on Facebook. And in that post, you link it back to your website, which is your blog, which is your video. And in turn, you are starting to, see the power of syndication. Then what you do is you share the video on LinkedIn if you're business to business. And then number 5, you go to your Google My Business listing, and then you take your thumbnail and you place that in there, the images, because they love images. And then in that image, you post a link back to your blog that links back to your video. It is amazing for your local SEO results. Google loves it. And so make sure that you do this with all of your videos. Then you post the same blog link on Twitter, and then you do it on Pinterest. And a lot of people say, whoa, wait a minute. My target customer is not on Pinterest. I'm business to business, for example. I don't want to post there. And you're right. Your customers may not be on Pinterest. They're not going to go there to search for a digital marketing agency. But I post on Pinterest anyways. And here's why I do it and why I want you to do it also. It's because Pinterest has really high domain authority. And it gives you a really great chance of being able to show up on page 1 of Google when people are searching in Google for that term. So you're kind of hijacking Pinterest's domain authority to be able to get your video ranked on Google. So use it for that reason, because every one of your customers, they are searching on Google. And then number 7, share it on Dailymotion, Reddit, and Quora. So once you film a video, really, hard work is over. Just set up a template or a process step by step where all of your videos flow through this process, and you're syndicating them just like I shared with you. And we use it in our own agency every single day. We do it for our own clients. And this video right now that you're watching me on, it will go through those exact steps and be shared and syndicated in those places. You really improve your chances of this video really getting out there and being seen in hundreds of different places by doing that. And so that's my overview on video marketing tips. And I hope that you've learned at least one thing in this video. And if you did, do me a favor, leave that in the comments below. I love to hear any ahas or ideas that you get as a result of this. And if you need help with your own video marketing or Google Ads, take our 45-day challenge. Really simple. We will improve your Google Ads results in 45 days or less, or you pay nothing. So great offer. You got everything to gain, nothing to lose. And don't forget, make sure that you like and subscribe so that you're alerted to future episodes like this. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.